Hello, I'm Lee,
And I'm Wally.
and this is Summer, and we are Three for the Road RV.
Hello, Rowdies.
Hi there.
Hi there.
We'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas. And we have been challenged on the holiday questions. So here are our answers. Number 1, do we like the real or fake trees?
Real.
You like real ones? Yeah, they smell really good, huh? However, they do make a mess, so we do have a fake one too. And especially here in the trailer, we only have a little 2-foot size one. So, but when we had our sticks and bricks, we trade it off. Sometimes we get real and sometimes we get fake. Yes, what are you trying to say? I'm sorry. She thinks she has an earache. Number 2, favorite Christmas cookie. Do you have a favorite Christmas cookie?
Yes.
Which one? A happy one. Well, I don't know what kind of happy one is. What's your favorite one, Papa?
Anything with chocolate.
Yeah. My favorite Christmas cookie are the really super soft sugar cookies. Kind of like those Loft House ones that you get at the grocery stores. They're pretty good. Or sometimes I really like those truffly looking ones that you crush up the Oreos with the cream cheese and you kind of make them like a truffly thing. Those are pretty good too. Number 3, home on Christmas morning or do we travel?
Travel.
You like to travel? I don't. Not on Christmas mornings. I like to stay home in my pajamas because we get new pajamas on Christmas Eve and then we wake up Christmas morning and we take our pictures of our presents in our new pajamas and we just laze around all day and we watch movies and eat junk food and we just be lazy Christmas. Yeah, that's the best kind. Number 4, do we like clear or colored lights?
Clear.
I like both. It depends. It depends on what we're doing. What kind of tree have we decided to do that year? Because I like to do themes. And depends on what my theme is on whether or not I like the colored or clear. And outside of our sticks and bricks, we would have the clear, white icicle-y looking ones along the gutters. And then we would put the colored lights like on the bushes and stuff like that. So I like them both. Number 5, do we send out Christmas cards?
Yeah.
Yes, we send out about 75 or so a year. We don't get that many back, hint, 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 but we do send them out. Number 6, our favorite Christmas present that we have received. What would be my favorite Christmas present? Wow. What would it be?
The Rockwell saw I got.
Yeah, Papa got a really cool saw one year. What was your favorite Christmas that you got? She likes getting new babies.
I have 4 left over here.
Wow.
Thank you.
My goodness. I think my favorite Christmas present would probably be way back in the day before we were even married. He was in the Army and he sent me my engagement ring in the mail and it came at Christmas time. So that was probably my favorite Christmas present I received. Now, what was the favorite Christmas present that we have given? I think I know what my favorite one that I gave was. And that was when I went in together with my mother and we got Wally a painting that was done by a really good friend of ours that we still have in storage. That is just a really neat painting that we have. Papa, do you have one that you gave that was a favorite? Hold it still so I can still read it.
Yeah, your engagement ring. It's all up.
Yeah. He said the engagement ring in the box, and then there was a stuffed animal gorilla that was holding it. It was kind of fun. Do we own Christmas pajamas? That is number 8. Yes, we get pajamas every year, don't we? Yeah. It's tradition.
9.
Yep, it's one of the gifts that we open on Christmas Eve is our new pajamas.
9.
Yep, number 9 is our favorite Christmas song. Well, that's easy for me. It is Mary Did You Know? And it really doesn't matter what artist sings it, even though there are some artists I like better than others, but my absolute most favorite song is Mary Did You Know? And my absolute most favorite arrangement of it is Pentatonic's version. And then my second favorite just came out this last week, and it's by the One Voice Children's Choir. That one just made me cry too. So both of those versions make me cry.
Number 10.
Does Papa have a favorite Christmas song?
Not really. There's a lot of good ones.
Okay, number 10. Favorite holiday tradition? I think it is baking all the goodies and treats that I like to do every year, and making plates to give to the neighbors and friends. And then I also like it when we open our presents on Christmas Eve to open our jammies. And then Wally loves, I don't know if he'll mention this, so I'll mention it for him, but his favorite thing is to have a Lord of the Rings marathon over the Christmas vacation. I don't know if he has another tradition he likes too.
No, that's pretty good.
Okay.
Been watch some movies.
Okay. You gotta hold it still, honey. Number 11. Are we an early shopper or last minute?
Both.
Both. Yeah. Because I kind of split it up. I'll do my early shopping with like the big, more expensive presents. And then the last minute shopping is for the stocking stuffers. I like to save those to the very last. Number 12. Favorite Christmas movie or show?
Both.
You like both? Movies and shows? I'm going to just have to say that I'm just a movie lover, and I just like them all. I love the sappy Hallmark Christmas movies, even though they all have the same theme in it. It's a grouchy type Scrooge type person. It could be male or female, and they absolutely hate Christmas, but then they're given an assignment to do something somewhere, and they go to this little small town or village, and there's usually a down and out single mom or single dad that is having a really hard time that they end up falling for, and then there's always some sort of mysterious old man, or even sometimes an older woman, where mysterious things always happen around them, and of course you know it's got to be Santa, and then there's always the sappy love story ending and that kind of thing, and I watch them all the time, even though I already know the story going in.
I like Die Hard.
Papa likes Die Hard. That's silly, Papa. I can't read it if you do that. Well, honey, it is number 13, and what is our favorite holiday beverage? What do you like to drink? Yeah, you do. She likes her chocolate milk. And me, I like hot chocolate. I like warm chocolate. I like cold chocolate. I like eggnog. I make a good homemade eggnog. I like wassail. Wally doesn't like wassail. And so I just like it all. Okay, now number 14. Do you leave cookies and milk out for Santa?
Yes.
No, I eat them all.
No.
Papa eats them all.
Yes, we have to leave the milk and cookies out for Santa.
Okay.
Okay.
Check.
I guess we better do that, huh?
And number 1.
Then number 15 is we need to tag other creators to answer these questions as well. And I just say, you know what? Have a Merry Christmas, and if you feel like doing this, go ahead and do it. And But don't feel obligated because I know how busy the holidays are. And so we wish you all well. And we'll see you next time. And remember to always take the scenic route.
Ring the bell.
Yeah.
Like and
Subscribe.
bye.
Yeah.
Bye and bye.
See you later.
Bye.